So we need 2 cello dwellers. Want to play this?
All right.
Jim, Theo?
Cool.
All right, let's get them started. What's something that they threw away as trash in Beaver this week? Thank you. Don't just discuss it with your friends. You gotta tell us.
I was saying satellite, but that was a callback to a couple.
Satellite. Okay, that's not what I heard. All right. Satellite. So, you guys are gonna get started with satellite. When I say slow, you're gonna go slow.
Sorry. Go ahead.
I mean, are you installing something over there?
Oh, I was. It was a little direct TV.
Oh, you know the local astronomers club meets on this roof every week, right?
I didn't know that.
Okay.
If I go back to work and I don't have some TV installed at this place, they're not going to be very happy.
So you're gonna put like a big dish up there?
It's not too big a dish. It's about 18 inches diameter.
Oh no! That simply will not do.
Okay. You know, people paid to have this service. All right. I have to do what I'm paid for.
I've run this astronomy club for 12 years up here. I can't just. That's a really big satellite dish.
Wait, 12 years?
Yeah, 12 years.
Oh God, you were here first.
Yeah, by a long shot.
All right.
Look, I don't want to get in the way of your job. Just, you do what you're doing. I'll move my telescope around you.
Okay. How about
Slow.
Is that good? No. You'll have to go on the other side. Okay.
Resume.
I am sorry that this is inconvenient for you and your club.
Saturn's in aphelion, so we really need to get set up before tonight.
Well, I don't know much about space or the solar system.
You know, a lot of people don't. That's why we've run this astronomy club for 12 years.
How many
I say we, me. I've run this astronomy club for 12 years.
How many members?
It's me. It's just me.
Oh. God, I feel a little bit
We have a club charter and everything. Do you want to see it?
I kind
I'll
of.
go get it.
Slow.
That's okay.
It's downstairs. I'll be right. Oh no!
Fast forward.
Shit. Stop. So you just.
I'm okay.
Oh. All right. I'll come help.
Fast forward. Fast forward.
Oh,
Resume.
I thought for a second that you may have broken your wrist.
Oh, we'll figure that out when it comes to it, huh?
Yeah.
For now, this is a club charter, the local astronomers club of 245B. That's the apartment I live in downstairs. It's the roof. We've got a bunch of rules and regulations. Here's some membership forms. I ordered 45 enamel pins. If you would like one, you can have one.
I'll join your astronomy.
Well, you will? Let me go get a pen.
Okay, you be careful. You're.
Oh!
I'm already coming. I'm coming. Hey,
I don't think we have to ask questions about the wrists anymore.
okay. I don't think you should be hanging out at night. You keep all the lights off. I guess.
I'm legally blind.
Why the telescope then?
I'm an astronomer.
Man.
What astronomer is worth his salt without the telescope? Actually, now that you mention it, I don't think your satellite dish is going to be a problem after all.
Jerry, you want to host talk show light?